pressure to get the job done. But regardless of how urgent or important a job may be, nothing's worth risking your safety. Whether you're a worker or an employer, together we can make the workplace safe.
Grenade!
Because no matter what you do, safety starts with you.
Hi, I think this is a great day for us to learn the deeper concept behind safety audit. Of course, safety is dynamic and new safety issues may come up with even minor changes in operations. So it's important to keep an eye on whether your workplace safety program is working as it's supposed to. The best way to gauge the efficiency and effectiveness of your safety management system is through a safety audit. Conducting regular audit ensures regulatory compliance and also helps you to identify and correct safety hazards that could potentially lead to serious workplace injuries or even fatalities. Ensuring workplace safety is one of the most vital responsibilities of any employer. A healthy and safe work environment encourages productivity and efficiency, and workers who know that their employers care for their safety are motivated to work better. Employers and employees need to work together to create such a safe and healthy workplace by implementing an effective safety program, which would include a risk management process, regular safety meetings with employees, and more. While we go in this lesson, we will outline what exactly a safety audit is, how to conduct one, and some best practices to follow. Nikki, what do you think are safety audits?
So, a safety audit is a systematic review to analyze the risks and hazards in the workplace and evaluate the effectiveness and reliability of the safety procedures set up in the organization. It can be performed by internal or external safety officers. The main objectives of a safety audit is to determine if the organization's safety program is being implemented, to identify the gaps found in the safety program, and to outline corrective actions to fix the gaps found. A safety audit involves a rigorous observation of business operations, the work environment, the condition of the equipment, the behavior of the workers, and the details to ensure that you have a good workplace safety plan and that it is being implemented according to industry safety standards.
In Finland, more than 20,000 accidents happen at work every year as a result of slips, trips, and falls. These accidents lead to employees taking more than 350,000 days off work. People typically strain, sprain, and fracture their arms or legs. More serious injuries are caused by blows to the head, which can be fatal. Now let's run through some ways of avoiding similar accidents. Plan your workspaces and access routes so they can easily be kept neat and tidy. Risk assessments help you to identify dangerous places and implement the necessary safety measures. Make sure that indoor and outdoor areas are properly and sufficiently lit. Ensure there is good lighting in stairways, corridors, and entrances in particular. Sturdy handrails, good visibility, and slip-resistant floor surfaces also improve safety on staircases. Remember to carry out regular cleaning and maintenance. Make sure people can work at an appropriate pace. Accidents are more likely when you are in a hurry. Smooth work processes help to keep everything in order. Put things back in their place and don't block floors and access routes. Don't leave traps for your workmates. Always report any dangers that you notice and remove them yourself if you can do so safely.
There are 3 types of safety audits, depending on who conducts them and what they are for. They include compliance audits, management system audits, and program audits. Here's a quick video about this one.
Welcome to Quick Safety Tips from Frontline. Knowing how to conduct a safety audit is a skill that every EHS professional, and frankly, every site manager and leader needs. The three main types of safety audits include compliance audits, management audits, and program audits. The goal of these audits is to determine whether safety initiatives are effective and whether they're being followed by both workers and managers. Before you can complete an audit, you need to make a checklist of what you want to verify. This can include things like compliance measures that need to be met, process tools and PPE, training programs, safety equipment, and control systems that should be in place. During the safety audit, look to see whether the items on your checklist are there. If they aren't, make sure you create a corrective action item to fix the issue and ensure compliance.
Of course, we must know safety audit best practices. For safety audits to be effective and valuable, it's good to follow some general best practices while conducting them. Nikki, can you name some of them?
For safety audits to be effective and valuable, it's good to follow some general best practices while conducting them. So some of them are conducting safety audits regularly. It's a generally accepted practice that safety audits are conducted about once a year, but this may lead to lax work practices that don't follow safety management standards during the year, with compliance only seriously ensured closer to when the audit occurs. Instead, it might be more effective to have targeted safety audits scheduled throughout the year, followed by a comprehensive company-wide audit once a year. In addition, a safety audit should be conducted every time operations, regulations, working conditions, or your workforce changes. For example, if you start a new production line or open a new work site with 50 new employees, it's good to audit any safety issues that may arise due to the change. So the second is using competent and objective auditors and ensure compliance. Even if your safety audit is not a compliance audit, it's good to review your safety procedures for compliance. The next is using the right materials for your audit. So it's a common practice to use safety audit checklists or templates to guide you through the audit and ensure that you don't miss anything. But it's always a good idea to check these general templates over and customize them to fit your specific use case. For example, if the template asks you to check for controls related to hazardous materials but your operations doesn't involve one, then such template might be customized and the part that is not needed should be removed.
The specific things that a safety audit investigates may vary depending on the type and size of business, but every audit has the following 5 basic steps. First is plan for the audit. Second is to conduct the audit, reviewing plans and policy documents, talking to workers on the floor, and observing operations directly. Third step is prepare a report. Step 4, implement corrective and preventive actions. And lastly, communicate the results. Here's a quick video to understand further the steps on how to successfully conduct safety audits.
This short presentation will provide you with 7 simple steps to manage your work health and safety in your business. Getting started. Successful safety cultures are led from the top, where your actions and attitudes send a message to your workers that you are serious about their health and safety. Effective safety management in a workplace requires involvement from everyone to make it safe. To do this successfully, people need to understand their responsibilities and how they can meet them. Talking with your team. Effective consultation encourages greater awareness of issues and can lead to improved safety outcomes. Seeking workers' input when making decisions shows them that you take their health and safety seriously. This includes concerns about your workers' well-being, because mental health is as important as physical health. Follow up on your workers' suggestions and make improvements with a record of safety discussions. Managing hazards. Part of managing health and safety in your workplace is controlling the risks. To do this, you will need to accurately identify potential hazards. Having identified potential hazards, you'll need to first consider if they can be eliminated. If this is not possible, then consider the risks involved and put practicable measures in place to control them. Information, training, and supervising your team. Training, including workplace inductions, is one of the best ways to ensure that the people in your business are safe while at work. It provides workers with information about the potential risks associated with their work, the safety policies and procedures you have in place, as well as how to work safely and deal with emergencies. It also ensures that your workers understand their work environment, their job expectations, and employment conditions. Maintaining a safe workplace. It is everyone's responsibility to maintain a safe workplace. Regular communications between management and staff is crucial to keeping safety a priority. Add safety as an item to your regular meetings so staff feel comfortable bringing up any issues as they arise. Keeping records. Written records of your work health and safety activities, near misses and incidents are important for your business. These records can help demonstrate what you have done to manage safety in your workplace. This can be important if an incident occurs requiring investigation. Monitoring and reviewing to improve. Managing and improving health and safety needs to be ongoing. Safety processes and operation evolve with time, and workers and equipment can come and go, changing the risks in your workplace. When you actively seek to identify hazards, inform, train and supervise your team, you can be confident that you are managing the risks and the people exposed to them. Guidance material and templates are available to complement these steps and provide you with more information.
Take time to take care of your safety and health at work and get home safely to your loved ones.